Hello there, and it is another. Why can't I go to full screen? Alright, sorry for that complication. I hope my recording is still running. Welcome to another episode of my daily vlog. Today is day 21, I believe, and it is 11:35 p.m. This is Cuthbert, or you may call me Bert, speaking, and um, so today I decided to make a slight change to my vlogs. Instead of me sitting and just talking, I decided I might put my charts up so you can actually see like what I'm thinking about, because I tend to talk a bit about my trades and the charts that I see. So all right, before I go to my charts, I'll just briefly go through the trades I did today, which I did not where the hell is my book? Okay, I forgot to bring my trading journal in to my room. Never mind that. Alright, so basically, um, I took two trades today, which is mainly the. Oh my god, it's all red. It's mainly the pound Aussie and the euro dollar. Wait, no, the euro dollar was since yesterday. It's or rather it was since Monday, or was it yesterday? It's actually the euro, pound, and the pound Aussie, and then the Aussie new Kiwi actually I just got in like an hour ago using a buy stop. So I'll show you the trades later and what I was thinking about. But basically, so currently I have how many trades are this? Five positions. One, two, three, four, five. So I have five positions. Two of them are doing very badly. I ought to get out soon if they don't recover. So let's just take a look one by one to show you what I usually go to, or rather how I'm doing my trades, and hopefully someone on the internet can be kind enough to tell me that what the hell I'm doing wrong. Alright, so for this I do have an indicator set up, which I have another chart to but I can't put two charts on my screen, so basically I use this to sort of determine my when I go in. So I base it on the Heikonaushi. So if, for example, USD, the United States Sing dollar is in green, I will go long. So technically this is where I'm supposed to go long in, and so on. So I went in on 3rd of August, 9 a.m. local time, which is basically 9 p.m. United States EDT, Eastern Standard, EST, I think it's Eastern Standard Time. But whatever, I count the time zones in my own time zone. What I know is we are about exactly 12 hours across the New York opening time, because New York Stock Exchange opens at 9:30 p.m. and we look our trades start moving at sorry, the New York Stock Exchange opens at 9:30 a.m. and we start looking at our trades at 9:30 p.m. So it's just exactly 12 hours apart. So yeah, basically I enter using this algorithm, and then after that I manage my trades, or rather I just use this chart to go into my trades, and to decide whether I go into my trades, and then I move over to the full chart, to this chart of mine, to actually decide the resistance, or do some further tweaking. So basically this one told me to enter here. I put a stop loss here, and my take profit is over here. Very unfortunate that this did not take half of my profit, or else I would have been out of this trade. Technically I should quit this trade by now. This does not look good at all. It's turned into a range, and I do not want to be stay in a range for too long, or rather I would not like to be in a range at all. So this trade went south, and I should have exit when this high came up. Although this could have been a breakout and it could have continued. So I probably that's why I just waited. But unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be the case, and it's just ranging. So I'll probably try to get out at break even. I could move my take profit down like right above break even and then get out. But we'll see how it goes. So then the next trade we have is the pound Aussie. I may be a bit more than 7 minutes today because I don't have I can't see what's the time of my video. But anyway, so the pound Aussie is I have a short on this, and looks like it went down a bit, but there's a pullback. I hope this is just a temporary pullback and it will just keep on going. So this one, my stop loss is above the highest high of which I don't think this I don't think it should go much higher than that. If it does, I'll be out before it even hits my stop loss anyway. It might do a double top. That's my prediction. It could do a double top, and then it could either break out or break down. Yeah. So then next up, I have my Euro USD, which has been chopping around. I ought to quit this as well because it is ranging. Technically, I should always quit the trades once it begins ranging. And I just do not have good trade discipline at the moment. Look at all the red. This is a very awful position to be in. Then I have my Euro pound. So in my trade journal, I actually started adding a new a new parameter. I'm so scientific, am I? A sort of new argument that, all right. Basically, I just recorded my confidence level of a trade, and for this trade, I rated it at about 50 or 60%. So to be frank, I wasn't really confident it would go up. And now in hindsight, actually, now that I look at the graph again, it's the chart again, it's actually in a downtrend. And why do I have this right here? I should remove this, but whatever. So it's actually in a downtrend, and I probably shouldn't have taken a long for counter trend here. Not a good idea, but we'll see. I'm just hoping this is like a giant pullback. Is this Fibonacci or some shit right here? How many pips is this? 52. Okay, that's about 52, and then this pullback is what, 30, 31, 32. Okay, it's a Fibonacci, I hope. Although I do not believe in Fibonacci at all. And the next one is this, which just got, so I had a buy stop right up here above the high, and it took my buy stop, and then it went back down. So now I'm still in a negative position, but I hope can I just remove this scaling? If I'm not mistaken, this is actually, yeah, so it still has potential to go higher a bit, because the highest high is like over here. So my take profit is right about here. Yeah, this is the daily chart. But yeah, so that's it for today. I didn't really, yeah, it's just three new trades, two which I took at about 6 p.m. and the last one got taken in by my buy stop. Because I was hoping it would break this high. If it broke this high, I would go in, and it did. So I'm in the trade right now. Yeah, so that's basically my current situation. Not very good, mostly in the red, like all of it is in the red. This isn't even a profit at all. But yeah, so if anyone has any advice in making one thing I noticed upon looking back at how some other traders trade and how I trade is I think I am putting my stop losses and profits a bit too tight. This one seems fine, but I probably should have put my stop loss like right here maybe. Yeah, like below this low. But then if I did that, my position sizing would be like horrendously tiny. And I did for this, the stop loss should have been below this low, but uh yeah, because I think I'm probably trying to get like a single swing, more like a swing trade kind of thing, like one leg, uh which I don't know if that is my style. I'm still figuring out my style right now. I don't know how I actually trade better, but some traders I see like Etienne actually does like very long multi-day trades, which takes weeks and months sometimes. But I don't think I will be doing that. However, maybe something in between. But from what I noticed is my stops and my take profits are usually quite tight. So I might have to do a bit of fine tuning there, but it will take me a bit of time to find the right spot. So that's it for today, just to show you a bit of my charts and what the hell I'm looking at every day. So yes, this is the 4-hour chart, and I trade. I'm planning on trading the 4-hour charts for a while until I get sick of it, or yeah, but probably ultimately my goal would be to trade the 4-hour charts and probably the daily charts, or anything above 4 hours. 4 hours would probably be the lowest I would go, because I still value my time to do other things, because I can't sit in front and day trade like 10-15 minute charts. All right, so that's it for today. I may have been way overshot because I can't see my timer, but nevertheless, uh, that's all for today, and see you guys tomorrow.